Unfolding the future, the Google Pixel Fold review, pros, cons and verdict. Get ready to experience the future, quite literally in the palm of your hand. As an avid technology enthusiast, I've been eagerly awaiting the rise of foldable phones, and Google has just propelled this category into new heights with their latest entry, the Pixel Fold. Google's entry into the foldable phone market is a significant one, as Pixel Fold boasts of some tantalizing features. Imagine a phone that provides a tablet-like experience for watching movies, but when you're done, it neatly folds into a compact form that slides into your pocket. It's magic. Design and specs unfolded. Dual displays. When folded, the device features a 5.8-inch FHD plus OLED external display with 120Hz refresh rate and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. Unfolded, and you're greeted by a breathtaking 7.6-inch ultra-thin glass internal display with HDR support and a lustrous brightness of up to 1000 nits. Build quality. The hinge mechanism feels exceptionally firm, with tight tolerance. The exterior display is slightly wider but thin enough to slide comfortably in your pocket. Camera. The Pixel DNA is intact, including a visor-looking camera section with a periscope-style zoom lens. The rear camera setup includes a 4.8MP main camera, 10.8 megapixels ultra-wide, and 10.8 megapixels telephoto with up to 5x optical zoom. Hardware. Fueled by the latest Tensor chip, 12 GB of RAM, and up to 512 GB of storage. Battery. A promising 4,800 mAh battery capacity with a 30-watt USB-C power adapter for quick charging. Colors. Available in obsidian, dark, and porcelain, light, both featuring a matte finish. The pros. Superior cameras. Utilize the high-res rear cameras for selfies or videos while framing with the front-facing screen. Multimedia experience. The larger internal screen is perfect for consuming content, with stereo speakers providing immersive audio. Build quality. The hinge is sturdy, and the device feels well constructed. Flexibility. Can be used as a phone or tablet, and fits comfortably in hand. The cons. Price. The innovation and features come at a premium price of $1,800. Battery life. Dynamic display refresh rates can be taxing on the battery. Verdict. The Google Pixel Fold is an epitome of innovation, effortlessly amalgamating a tablet-like experience with the portability of a folding phone. This remarkable device is not just a gadget, it's a bold statement from Google. With its dazzling displays, robust build quality, and a camera setup that is nothing short of stellar, it's hard not to be smitten. The battery life could have been more generous, and the premium pricing might be a deterrent for some, but the sheer utility, coupled with top-notch performance, makes it a seriously usable device for both productivity and entertainment. Whether you're in quest of a cutting-edge device that doesn't skimp on performance or camera prowess, or you simply want to own a piece of the future, the Google Pixel Fold could very well be the splendid innovation that you've been longing for. It doesn't just represent the next chapter in smartphones. It practically unfolds an entire chapter in the saga. We hope you enjoyed the review of the new Google Pixel Fold. If you found the review helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to get notified about future reviews. Bye for now, see you in the next video.